Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wuben. Now this here is their C5. This little compact flashlight puts out 700 lumens. Now Wuben wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further, let's open it up and see what's in. Everything is individual package. We've got a diffuser, and we've got a USB charging cable type C, and one lanyard. A lot of boxes in boxes. And this is the light. I'm going to go ahead and take a look here at the user manual. Really have upgraded their packaging, very nice. And here's the certificate of approval. New model. User manual is pretty small, but very well detailed. Take a look here at the specs, and you've got the highest output of 700 lumens using the included battery. Now if you need more time, pause the screen, otherwise we're going to go ahead and move on. And there's a sticker here. You want to remove it carefully. Just letting you know about the battery. And there it is. Smooth body. Has a little curvature here. Little side switch. And it looks like it has a stainless steel bezel on there. Also, the tail cap is magnetic, and it is strong enough to hold it itself. Battery is in it already. That's pretty tough on there. It's not going anywhere. Pretty tough. If I can get my camera to focus here. Style and design on this is very nice. Really compact. And the machining and finish on this is excellent. Not seeing any issues. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the smooth reflector. Now this is running the OSRAM P9 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open it up. I'll move the protection piece here. I'll show you the battery. This is a 14500 cell, 750 milliamp. It does have the USB charging port on the battery itself. So that's really convenient to have that. Easy charging on the go. This will turn red when charging, green when finished. And now I'll show you the tail spring. And you've also got a straight contact point down on the head of the light. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get it all back together. And let's go through the UI. Simply turning that on. Press and hold to go through those light outputs. Or you can hold it down, individually go through those light outputs. That is impressive. If you turn it off, turn it back on, you see the W glows. That is also a battery level indicator. That will turn red when it's starting to get low, and it'll start to blink when it's critically low. Take a look at the beam profile here. Actually, that's going to have a pretty good combination beam. A lot of bleeding around the hot spot there. Spill just tapers off. Not a super sharp cutoff on that. Again, pressing and holding that down. 700 lumens. That's a lot of light output. Now if you do want to get the special modes, you can double click again. We'll get you strobe, goes to the highest output, and then to strobe. Click it one time, goes back to the last light output that you had it on. Does have memory mode. That's the lowest light output. And that's all there is to this light. Simple but sweet. Tiny and discreet. Alright, well, let's take this little bad boy out. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little Wuben C5. Let's check it out. That's the lowest light output. Definitely great for up close. Easy on the eyes. Don't want to bother people around you that are sleeping. Let's go to the next level. See how it does. Water spout, 35 feet from where I'm standing. And it is faintly making 65 feet. There's the fence. Kind of give you an idea on the beam. Alright, let's go to the next level. See how it does. Nice jump. This is the perfect light output for this size of light, in my opinion. Good run times, and this light output's going to give you plenty of light output for most applications. It is making the tree of life, as you can see. Very nice beam performance from this OSRAM. Alright, we're going to go to the next level, see how it does. See that? All from this little light. 138 feet to the tree of life. Faintly making the tree behind it 238 feet. And it is making it across the park there faintly. Tree line, fence lines, do a beam profile here behind my hand. That is impressive. All from a little light like that. Pan over to the tree of life here. And then we'll end the video here. Before and after. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance, build quality. This is definitely a surprise to me from Wuben. The diffuser here, just like that, goes on there, and you can turn it on, make it into a nice little tabletop lamp, especially if you're camping. It's nice. Can have it on the higher outputs as well if you want. Want to hang it from the lanyard in a tent, that'll do as well. If you really need a lot of light output, you've got it, all the way down to a moonlight. Nice little kit. So very nice, impressive performance on this light. Actually looks very nice as well. So I want to thank Wuben for sending me this to review. Now they do have these in their Amazon store. I will leave a link down in the description. That way you can get this. They do ship quickly with Amazon, of course. Remember, this is a complete flashlight kit. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this Wuben C5. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Wuben to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.